Hi everyone, today we're going to make a anybody puppet. This is what it's going to look like when it's all done. And what you're going to need for that is in your kit there is a Ziploc bag with some eyes stickers and some pipe cleaners. What you're going to do is take out your pipe cleaner and your stickers. And this was originally one long pipe cleaner that I used a pair of scissors to cut in half. To cut in half, you just fold it and then cut right here in the middle. So what you're going to do is you're going to take 1/2 of your pipe cleaner and you're going to make a U shape like this. And then you're going to slightly bend the end. Just going to curl it so that it makes a little loop. You do that on the other side. And you're going to take your sticker and you're going to put it where those loops are. And there you have it, your own anybody puppet. How you use it is you're going to take it, and this curved part is where you're going to put your finger, your middle finger. When you put it in, it's going to be like that. And then there you go. Now you have a puppet. And you can open and close your hand like a mouth. It can talk. It can sing. You can curve it any way you want. So it could be more like a snail shape. You can cut it shorter so that it has less of an eye. So some people like to have it closer to their finger. Some like to have longer ones like a snail eyes. So it's up to you to customize how you would like and have fun with it.